Today I'm going to show you how to start a conversation for an article in MSN quickly and easily. If you've ever wanted to join the discussion on a news story, a feature, or any article you see on MSN, this guide will walk you through the exact steps from start to finish. It's simple, it only takes a moment, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to click to begin commenting on the topic you want. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open any browser on your computer or mobile device. You can use Chrome, Edge, Firefox, Safari, or whatever browser you normally prefer. Once your browser is open, go to MSN.com in the address bar and press enter. This will take you directly to the MSN homepage, where you'll see a variety of news articles, headlines, and featured stories. When the page opens, take a moment to look through the articles and find the one you want to start a conversation on. MSN usually displays article cards with headlines and images, so choose the topic you're interested in. It could be a breaking news story, a lifestyle post, a sports update, or any other article on the site. The key is to open the article or look for the comment option beneath it. Now, once you've found the article, look below it for a small comment box icon. This icon is usually located under the article and is designed to let you join the conversation. It may look like a speech bubble or a comment symbol, so keep an eye out for that small icon under the post. When you see it, click on it. After you click the comment box icon, the conversation area will open up and you'll be able to start your own comment or respond to the topic. This is where you can share your thoughts, ask a question, or add your opinion about the article. Just type your message and then post it according to the options shown on the page. That's really all there is to it. Open your browser, go to MSN.com, find the article you want, and click the small comment box icon below it to start the conversation. It's a quick way to engage with topics you care about and see what other people are saying too. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more simple how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.